Helicopter,
Why
helicopter.
helicopters? Why heli?
Because I felt like it. Ow. Oh shit. I can see everyone flying. Calabunda. Easy. Easy land. Yo! Yo, like 7 different helicopters just came after me, like, what the fuck? Oh, shit! Okay. I've been hunted. Yep. Well, fuck it. No. I'm overground myself. I had to because my helicopter was getting hunted down by other helicopters. Move! Golly! Go. Fuck me. There's just one area where it just has like a bunch of auto turrets, so be careful. Like seriously, be careful. Walter O'Brien.
Are you on a heli?
Yeah.
You following a black Lambo?
I don't see a black Lambo, hold on. I'll get lower so I can try to find it. Probably a risky move. But off I go. But oh wait, shit! I just killed Walter with my auto turrets. Honestly, God, the auto turrets are beautiful. Because, like, they can just, whenever they come up to somebody, well, never mind, I won't be able to find you. Yow. I see all my auto turrets and actually, I see them. If you see a bunch of red lines, because they're just coming.
Yeah, I spawned them.
Yeah, boy, yeah. But by the way, do not go near him unless you want to get killed. Oh, hello, killer. Wait, I just saw somebody drop out. You cannot be having that kind of behavior. Rocket. No, just tripping. No, just tripping. Oh, fuck. No, the fuck. No, the fuck. Yeah, let me go check out my turrets. Let's see how much hell they're bringing. Come on. Just sets helicopter on fire. Easy. No, all my turrets got destroyed. Right, because it beat me out of a football pitch.
Where?
I have a football pitch. until the football pitch bang. Give her? Oh wait, somebody is here. Why am I getting raided by helicopters? Oi, people,
Mia.
people, fuck off.
Oh.
I saw that, easy. Like, why the fuck was I getting raided by helicopters?
Hello.
I still am! Wait, Van nearly got somebody.
I died again.
Get it! Come on. Can somebody just stop me there? I want to try and get somebody mid-air.
Yo.
Yo, Chris, stop.
Mia.
Let me just shoot up in the air. Okay, what do you want to do?
Kill. What do you think? Bye.
Christian, try shoot me mid-air.
Shoot midair.
Wait, just missed. Just missed again. Yes! You got it.
Where are they?
You killed me, so basically you killed the helicopter, which killed me. But yeah, let's go. Hello, you fluffy puppy.
Is that you, Michael?
Somebody has a lab outside, by the way.
Oh, what?
There's a blue Lambo. Wait, nigga, you take the... Don't tell me you take a heli.
Blue Lambo. So how can I get out?
I'm trying to figure out...
I found it.
Trying to figure out my way out myself. Oh, it's this way.
Blue Lambo.
So, Christian, where you at? But... What? Wait, Christian, I know where you are. Here. Wait, I'm currently destroying people. Jesus, man. No, I'll hold. Get back here, pussy.
Are you following me?
No.
person following.
I'm not following anyone. I'm with a blue limo. But I'm not in it. But like I'm trying to find a. I think I saw you. I think I just saw you just speed down the road. Ow, dickhead. Hello, Mr. Pink. You wanna
I
kill
was
me?
no Mr. Pink.
What the fuck?
This is my car now.
Gee, Christian, I never knew you were a guy who could kill. Let me just run real quick because yeah, I felt like it.
-1.
Hmm?
I'm in -1.
Oh, okay. What?
What?
I fucking.
Flip.
So basically, I was flying and I just jumped on my helicopter and I didn't realize that I had so much power that it sent me out. Like, it sent me off land. Oh, hello, Chrissy.
Get back.
Hmm?
Get back or I'll kill you.
You married?
Can't fly no more.
You can't drive.
Goodbye.
Awesome. But yeah, like, seriously, I just flew land.
People are over there.
Awesome.
I'm trying.
Oh, imagine if it like hits one of them.
I'm running away. Yes. Another. I'm running away.
Just like a pussy. Running away, bro. You cannot run away from death, low. On God.
I'm with people.
No shit, Sherlock.
I literally died because of the lamppost.
A fucking lamppost. A fucking
Nice
lamppost.
car.
Bro, that's like if a fucking lamppost fell on you, which is like 99% impossible in this game.
No.
But they just bogged you there and you were just like so fucking dumb.
I hit it.
With what?
With my body.
What, after jumping out of a helicopter? That is stupid as fuck. So you're telling me a lamppost killed you? Hey Christian, how do
Lamppost, yes.
you feel that you got overpowered by a lamppost?
Not answering.
Bro's too embarrassed to answer. Like, come to me. Discord message. Also, I think Discord notification. I shall fly. I landed on top.
Help me.
Never mind.
Someone help me. I'm big down.
Bro, we can't fucking help you.
I drowned.
Bro, we cannot help you if you're in the water.
Yo! I just hit someone.
Cargo boom. Cargo boom. You won't be stealing any more children, boy. Well, that worked out to be a brilliant plan. Nick.
I'm in -2 now. -3. Are you still in the house?
No, I'm not. Wish I was low, to be honest with
Where's
you.
your car?
Okay, I'm in a yellow hot rod.
Oh wow, just landed in water.
Idiot. If you can find a yellow hot rod, I'll be proud.
Yep.
Just like you.
Boom. Who's on top?
Don't know. But I'm in first.
Really?
I got 7 kills.
So you're still in Oh, hello.
Hello.
Hello there.
Nigga.
Hello there, Maggie.
What? Hey, yo, what?
Hello, Maggie.
No. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. Racist.
I'm here.
You fucking racist.
I'm here.
You fucking racist. You fucking racist. All my turrets shall give me kills. Was I drown in water?
Bang! I just saw someone drown.
You drowned. Yes!
No, I'm in 10.
Dude, I made it to the border. Like, I made it onto the top of the walls. You can't beat me now when I'm Super 17. Shoot it in the sky and let it rip. Let it rip. Let it rip. Down I go. Mate, that made me drown completely. That just dragged me down. Like I was nothing. But I wasn't something. Holy. in the air. Do you see a laser? Wait, I wanted to get somebody, you dumbass. I got somebody's helicopter. Wait, who the fuck keeps on spawning auto turrets?
Oh, that's me.
Wait, I'm always, Christian, come here.
You're gonna kill me.
You're gonna kill me.
Wait, if you want to follow me then.
I can't follow you.
If you want to kill me, then
I can't see you. So I'm gonna go to you.
ground!
Oh, okay. Oh, great. My auto turrets are gonna win though. Easy, no diff. Mate, have you seen my army of auto turrets?
Oh shit.
You're lucky. Wait. No, you're not. You're not lucky.
I like to just
Hey, but listen, I got a whole road. I just covered a whole. I'm covering the whole road.
I see.
Do you though? So come find me, pussy. You regret that, pussy.
I just killed you and Biggs.
And I'll kill you in a second if you continue bragging.
Are you in the air?
Yes.
Are you staying in the air?
Trying to find you, dumbass.
I'm in a level of
I don't think I've seen one of
I'm in
those.
a level of Viper.
Viper. I don't think there's a car called Viper in this game. If there was, I don't know. Bitch. Bastard.
You just killed yourself.
You made me kill myself.
No, you didn't.
Yeah,
Whoa.
you did.
I just flipped.
Yeah, and I'll make you flip in a second if you continue.
I'm serious, I did.
Right, I see your auto turrets. Go to your auto turrets, bitch.
I go on my own turret now.
Oh, look for red lines.
My 3 meters,
Just look for red lines, Christian, right?
Whee! Shit. Oh, like some destroying. You're the person with the car.
No.
I see red lines. Baby.
We'll go to him.
Hang on.
Show me your face.
I just killed someone. I see you. Wow.
Listen, I'll find my way in though, don't worry. I have bugways. Oh, look who's using the auto turrets.
Whoa. Come on. Face me. Oh, wow.
Okay, yeah, bye-bye, guys.